Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best types of compost bins in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Epica Stainless Steel Compost Bin. Epica is an Italian brand that predominantly manufactures and sells leather journals and photo albums known for their aesthetic beauty. Some of the lesser-known products of the brand include compost bins and other lifestyle products. This is another portable compost bin with a capacity of 1 gallon. The bin weighs only 0.01 ounces and measures 10.71 by 8.03 by 7.87 inches. So, you can easily carry it and place it anywhere you want. Furthermore, it comes with a handle using which you can conveniently hold it. The compost bin features an airtight lid and charcoal filter for odor control. The compost bin is made of stainless steel and molded into a single piece that makes it durable and resistant against scratches. Besides, stainless steel material is naturally resistant against rust, thus prolonging its life and service. The charcoal filter will last up to 6 months and has to be cleaned periodically using soap solution. Number 2. Our second best pick is Utopia Kitchen Countertop Compost Bin. Utopia Kitchen is an American brand that manufactures and sells a wide range of kitchen products to help you keep your kitchen clean and odorless. The brand is regarded highly for reducing waste and manufacturing products using reusable materials. This is a small and compact compost bin with a small capacity of 1.3 gallons. Although not ideal for large backyards, this compost bin is portable and would accommodate enough compost for small gardens. The other best feature of this compost bin is that it comes with a charcoal filter. Even if you allow scraps to build up for a week without cleaning, the charcoal filter traps the odor. The compost bin is made of high-quality 201 stainless steel and features a stylish and sleek design. The stainless steel is durable and ensures the longevity of the bin. The material is also easily washable and you can use warm soapy water to clean the bin. For cleaning the charcoal filter, you have to dip it in a warm soapy solution and then rinse with water. Number 3. Our third best pick is FCMP Outdoor IM4000 Dual Chamber Tumbling Composter. Next on our list is FCMP Outdoor's IM4000 Tumbling Composter. FCMP Outdoor manufactures a wide range of premium quality compost bins at affordable prices. The brand provides both stock and custom programs for its outdoor items. FCMP Outdoor's composter features 2 chambers that allows you to store fresh scraps in one chamber easily while you use the other one. The 2 chambers will provide you with an uninterrupted flow of fresh, healthy compost. The combined capacity of the chambers is 37 gallons that ensures sufficient compost is always available. This composter is easy to use with the help of large openings and a removable door using which you can conveniently add scraps and remove finished compost. Besides, the deep fins help you to hold the bin conveniently. When it comes to mixing the compost pile, you just have to lock the door and turn the composter 5 to 6 times every 2 to 3 days. You will get rich compost in less than 2 weeks under hot sunny conditions. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is VIVOSUN Tumbling Rotating Compost Bin. VIVOSUN is a global seller of indoor gardening and hydroponic products. The company has over 200 products in its portfolio including bulbs, lamps, reflectors, ballasts, filters, among many other products. VIVOSUN's compost bin comes with a total capacity of 43 gallons that is divided between 2 chambers. While one side cooks, you can add fresh materials to the other, thus creating a continuous flow of nutrient-rich and fresh compost for your backyard. Thanks to the tumbling design, you do not have to use your hands to mix the pile. You can mix the pile by filling the bin with garden refuse and scraps and rotating it every couple days. The compost bin features a sturdy and durable construction with galvanized steel and high-quality PP plastic. It is resistant against corrosion and degradation, thus ensuring a long life. The bin has adjustable air vents and deep fins to allow better air circulation and helps in faster decomposition. There are 4 durable ABS plastic claws that allow you to dig and plant the bin conveniently. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Granrosi Stylish Farmhouse Kitchen Compost Bin. Granrosi is a family-run company that strives to build premium quality products and sell them at affordable prices. The brand's flagship product is its line of food containers. This is a countertop compost bin that comes with a capacity of 1.3 gallons. Using this compost bin, you can easily make rich compost from kitchen waste and food scrapings. There is a built-in charcoal filter that prevents the odor from being released into the environment. Additionally, you get 2 extra filters that make your kitchen odor-free. Each filter lasts for about 3 to 4 months approximately based on your usage. The compost bin comes with a metal indoor that is durable and sturdy. The metal indoor has a special coating on both sides that makes the bin rust-free and prolongs the life. With 7.1 by 11 inches dimensions and a capacity of 1.3 gallons, you get enough space for collecting scrapings and preparing rich compost. With the help of the sturdy handle, you can conveniently empty the compost once it is ready. For cleaning the compost bin, you can use a warm soap solution and wipe the lid gently with the help of damp cloth. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.